A content delivery network, or CDN, sometimes referred to as a content distribution network, is going to help speed up your site. Meaning that whenever somebody goes to your web page, could be the home page most likely, but any page on your site, it takes a certain amount of time for that page to load. Well, Google looks at that as a ranking factor, and the faster your site loads, the better your rank will be within the search results. So by using a CDN, it's basically like putting your blog in the cloud. So, for example, if your blog is hosted in the US, right, you're US based, somebody in the US opens up your site, that information doesn't have that far to travel, right? They're in the same country as you, but if somebody in Australia wants to look at your site, that information has to travel all the way to Australia. And it's going to take longer for somebody in other countries to load your page. So what a CDN does is when it puts your information in the cloud, it has it in different places all over the world. So that no matter where you open up your page in the world, it has a shorter distance to travel. Now in a second, I'm going to demonstrate a service that you can use to obtain a CDN for free called Cloudflare. Now in addition to providing CDN services for free, Cloudflare also gives you SSL. Now SSL is a type of security. It's sort of like encryption for your website. So if you've ever seen a web address where normally it would say http://, with SSL, it'll show up as HTTPS. You might have noticed it highlighted in green on some bank websites. Cloudflare, actually, the Cloudflare website, you'll see it when I show you the demo video, has HTTPS, and it comes with all of their plans, even the free one. And Google just started using sites that have SSL as a ranking factor, meaning they'll give you a slight, it's a small difference, but it'll give you a slight improvement in rankings if you have SSL on your site. It's kind of Google's way of encouraging people to safeguard the web and people's data who enter their website. Bing right now isn't giving any ranking benefit for SSL, but I want to show you how to set up the CDN in the next video, so check it out.